If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
In last session, we have seen that what exactly the SAP is and all the stuff. So I will go and pick. So first of all, we see what exactly the company code is. So company code is higher hierarchy in any organization basically, and at the end of the day, the all profits and loss statement are sent to that company code, that specific company code, and it is a 4-digit code. That's more important thing. Then next one is sales organization. Means it is the organizational unit which is responsible for all sales and services which is happen in that company basically, and it is also 4-digit code. Basically, the all sales related data of that particular region or that particular area will be sent to sales organization. That particular sales organization. Okay. Then next one is distribution channel. It is actually the channel of distributing goods. Means it is I give you example like if suppose you want to buy mobile or any phone, so you can buy it from online also, or buy it from shop also, or any dealer, or like stuff also, and it is a 2-digit code. I will show you on system level also what is the distribution channel, what is the others, where we are going to use that stuff in actual system. I'm going to show you. Okay. Then next one is division. Division basically the range of product. Means suppose you want to buy a phone, so there are multiple phones in market like Samsung and other companies. So these are basically the range of product, and this thing nothing but the division, and it is also 2-digit code. Then next one is sales line. Sales line basically the combination of sales organization and distribution channel. In sales line, basically we are using a distribution channel and sales organization in one, so it is nothing but the sales line. Same with sales area, but it is a combination of 3: sales organization, distribution channel, and division. It is nothing but the sales area. Then next one is sales office. Sales office means it is actually physical location where people of that particular branch or a respective branch work together and perform sales related activity, which is known as sales office. Then it is also 4-digit code. Then next one, sales group. Sales group nothing but the people that work in sales office are nothing but the sales group, and it is a 3-digit code. Then next one is plant. Plant basically a physical location where actual manufacturing and finished goods are produced. Okay, and it is a 4-digit code. Suppose you have any business, so you have a product, then you need to manufacture that product. So for that purpose, you require a specific plant. So that is nothing but the plant. Then next one is the shipping point. Suppose you have produced multiple products or quantity of products, so you need to distribute that product to multiple your regional offices or regional location, and that distribution must be from certain point or certain location. That location must be your shipping point. Then next one is storage location. Storage location nothing but where you are store your goods. And suppose you have produced 100 or 200 quantity of your product, so you just need to deliver 15 or 13 out of them, and the rest of goods are you are going to store in your storage. Then next one we see about master data. Master data basically there are 4 types of master data: customer master data, material master data, customer material info record, and condition master data. In customer master data, basically when we are going to put certain customer like sold to party, shipped to party, system automatically pick up all the related data.
What is this? 1 minute. What are we talking about now? Master data?
Yeah. Master data. In master data, there are 4 subtypes: customer master data, material master data.
So what is master data exactly?
Master data means basically some information that already suppose I'm taking example like Walmart or DMart, like So that customer related data means its address, then what kind of material you are using, then its currency, which currency is going to pay, then ecoterm, like all related stuff. Means it's divided
The
master
data which is
data.
stored centrally and used in day-to-day transactions
Yeah,
in SAP. What is SD?
here the sales and distribution.
Sales and distribution.
Yes.
We have 4 types of master data. Customer master, which is a customer which is stored centrally and used in day-to-day transactions. Okay. Example, customer name, okay, all that.
I'm going to create an order.
The standard order, right?
Yes. Suppose I pick up a customer likewise. Enter.
So sold to party is the company, first one.
Sold to party means basically there are 4 partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party.
Hello?
Yeah. So I'm going to put this the sold to party and then press enter. Okay. So all related data of that particular customer, system automatically pick these are the customer when we are going to put this number. So this customer related data is nothing but the customer master data. Okay. System automatically pick this kind of data. So system automatically pick this sales group, this stuff. Then here in shipping, system automatically pick the which are the shipping condition, unloading point. This all related stuff of related that customer system automatically pick from customer master data. Then when I'm going to put a material like 10, order quantity 10, press enter. Then system automatically pick up.
Where do you press enter? Where do you
Yeah,
press enter?
on keyboard when you press enter.
Or not on the screen anywhere?
No. Then system automatically pick description, then which is the item category, then which is our plant from material master data of that particular material, which is nothing but the material master data. And what exactly the customer material info. See here, suppose you have a specific this sold to part. Okay, we call this material like TAS 310, but customer called it as a 10 for his own clarification or simplification. And the customer placing order via any portal or via anything with material name as a 10. But system automatically select this material. When customer put the order with 10 material, system automatically pick this material. So what we do in customer material info record, we attach this customer number with our standard material number. So when customer going to place order with this 10 material number, system automatically pick this material. So this is nothing but the customer material info record. Then next one is condition master data. So here condition system calculate price for that 10 quantity of the material. So it is nothing but this kind of euro. So this price related data will be taken from condition master data. So suppose which are the means this topic will be covered later on in pricing. So system take this is the gross value or any kind of discount or any kind of taxes or tariff on that particular material. So this all related stuff will be taken from condition master data.
These are all monetary calculations.
Yeah. All pricing related data likewise.
And what does accounting have?
Accounting nothing but the pricing, means its total price. Suppose I am putting here 100 quantity, then system will be calculate for 100 quantity. Of 100. Like this is our 4 master data. Got it now? What exactly the customer master data, what exactly the material master data. In name itself, you can get it. Customer master data means it is nothing but the customer related data. Material master data, it is nothing but the material related data. Condition master data.
I need some time to read those definitions.
Okay, this document will be shared with you. No issue. Okay. Just try to clear your idea related.
Details of the products which we store centrally and we use in day-to-day transactions.
Okay, I will read.
Specification of products weight. Okay.
Material data, master data. Master data is nothing but the data which is stored centrally and is used in day-to-day transaction. And what exactly day-to-day transaction? Suppose you are end user, or suppose you are running a company, so you are placing daily orders. Okay, daily orders, daily inquiry, daily quotation, like stuff. So this is nothing but your day-to-day transaction. Then next one is customer master data. It is the details of that particular customer which are stored centrally and used in day-to-day transaction. Means so we are using certain customer for which we are going to place order. Okay. Likewise, there are different customers. So I pick this one. You can pick other also. So for that customer, you are placing orders on day wise or as per your routine. So it is nothing but the customer master data. And example is like customer name, address, communication detail, payment info, etc.
So the sold to, ship to, party fall in which master data?
The customer master data.
Okay.
These are nothing but the partner. Means these are nothing but our customer.
Bill to also falls in customer, right?
Yeah. Then next one is material master data. It is the details of the product which are stored centrally and using our day-to-day transaction. Means suppose we have certain list of product or product range. So we already store that material related stuff. Like some material are our DG material, some material are refrigerated, means some material need ventilation, like fruits or vegetable which require ventilation. So that particular material related stuff will be stored in material master data. And when customer are going to place that particular material, so all the related stuff of that material will be taken in that order. Suppose customer are placing a order for a ventilated material or any DG related, dangerous food related material. So certain precaution must be taken for that material. So for DG dangerous goods type of material, certain clarification or any CIA like document which need to be shared with your vendor which are transporting goods, or suppose you are refrigerated material or which require ventilation. So you need to maintain certain temperature to which your product should be taken care of. So that's nothing but the material master data. Then next one is customer material info record. So as example given, suppose customer are placing the order with his own number. So we are attaching that particular number with our standard material number. And system automatically knows when customer place certain order, system automatically picks the correct material from our database. This is nothing but the customer material info record, CMI. And next one is condition master data. So it is nothing but the condition master data is nothing but pricing master data. Means suppose what are the price of that particular product, then which suppose there is any contract between our sold to and shipped to, or is there a contract between our customer. So certain discount or certain leverages must be given to that particular customer. That data must be affected to our pricing. Means suppose you are getting 10% discount, then 50% discount. Likewise, that data will be taken care by condition master. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Then this is nothing but in detail. Like what exactly the customer master data. In customer master data, basically there are three groups are divided in three subtypes, like general data, company code data, and sales area data. Okay, so general data are used by SD and FI people, means sales and distribution people, like ours, and FI means finance related people, like they are taking care of finance related of that particular order or that particular data. So these are the general data. Then next one is company code data. This data will be taken care of IFI people, finance people. No need to worry about this. Then sales area data. Sales area data will be taken care by SD people, sales and distribution people. Okay. These are the three subtypes of customer master data: general data, company code data, and sales area data.
What is the meaning of partner functions? I hear it a lot.
Partner functions, nothing but you are for partner function, like you are sold to party, ship to party, or you are forwarding agent. Likewise, your partner function.
Mm-hmm. But what is the meaning, like when they say sold to, ship to, partner function?
Okay, when we are going to cover partner function, that time I will cover in
Okay.
detail.
Okay.
But I will give a rough idea about sold to party. Means the party which are placing, or the customer which are placing order. Means these are particular orders, so this order must be placed by certain customers. So this customer are placing the order. Sold to party means customer which are placing order. Then ship to party means the customer to which this particular material is need to be shipped. Okay, these are nothing but the ship to party. Then bill to party. Bill to party nothing but a certain invoice for that means order is created. So that invoice.
Where can we see the bill to party? Here?
In data part. Sold to party, ship to party, payer, then ship to party. Okay. So when we are going to cover order now, means we are going to cover inquiry, quotation, order, like stuff. So in that I will cover details about what exactly the partner, then what exactly the order, what exactly each thing. Okay. So sold to party nothing but I explained. Then bill to party. Bill to party nothing but a certain invoice for that particular order must be created. Means what exactly the price, total price related stuff. Okay. So that invoice must be sent to certain partner function or certain customer. So these are nothing but the bill to party. Then next one is payer. Payer is nothing but a certain customer or certain party will be pay for that invoice. That invoice you are sending to our customer, certain party or customer will going to pay that invoice. So this is nothing but the payer. These are the main total partner function. Means to create an order, we need to require this for at least four. You can add more, like forwarding agent or any vendor or any stuff, any agent.
Sold to party and ship to can be the same, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is different.
Means what example, like Amazon, we can take example of Amazon. Amazon has office in India also India also. So if they are going to transport some material from India to USA, so there must be some sold to or shipped to party, but their address and all other stuff will be changed. Okay, like so to create order, at least you need four partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Minimum four, maximum it can be different. Okay. So there are mostly three subtypes of customer master data: general data, company code data, and sales area data. Okay. These are the nothing but the SPRO part. Okay. When we are going to cover SPRO, I will show you in a system level also. Here, when we are SPRO. Here, actual enterprise structure, there are different definitions. Suppose you want to assign company code, certain company code to your distribution channel or your division. So that assignment you can do it from SPRO path. Okay.
What is SPRO? I did not understand.
SPRO means nothing but the customization. If you are
ID.
customization.
Custom IV.
Customization. Suppose means you have a certain company code, like you have 1,000 number of company code. So you want to assign this company code. Suppose you have take example of you have business and you have a company code called with number 1,000, and you have certain regional offices. Okay, in that particular company code. So you need to assign this your regional offices to your company code. So at the end of day, the data will be transferred to your company code. Okay. So this assignment of assigning your company code to your regional offices or your sales group or sales area. Likewise, this assignment will be taken care by this SPRO path. Got it?
No, it's very confusing.
Suppose
can you tell me simple terms?
Yeah. Suppose you have like
what is the full form of SPRO first thing?
SPRO nothing but it's a project reference.
Huh?
SAP project reference object.
SAP protect
project reference object. So okay. So suppose I take example of bicycle business. Suppose you have a bicycle business in your called Maharashtra. Okay. So we have certain regional offices across different districts. Okay. So at the end of the day, you need data to your head office that which particular location do how much amount of business. So like this data need to be transferred to your company code or head office at the end of the day. So this assignment means assigning your company code or head office to your regional office. In layman language, assigning your head office to your regional office so that data transfer of data will be easy. This is nothing but the assignment.
Nothing but what?
Means assigning your company code or your head office to your regional office. It is nothing but the assignment.
Okay.
Then next one is our inquiry quotation order. Means inquiry means what exactly the inquiry. Suppose you want to buy certain product or certain material. So you can you will go to shop and inquiry about that particular product. So you can inquiry about how much total cost of this product. Then what are the features of that product? Likewise, the inquiry. Inquiry is not a legal document.
So who's doing the inquiry?
Inquiry nothing but means suppose
I know the meaning of inquiry, but who is doing it? Means customers doing it?
Yes, customer.
So I am owning a business. I have a business of food. Say I sell some product in food. You are the customer. You are inquiring how is the quality of the food. That you are customers inquiring.
Yes, it is customer. So I am going to inquire about how much cost of this product. So suppose I am going to buy this product in bunch. So how much amount of discount I will get? Likewise, stuff.
But how will you communicate that?
Yeah, it is same like order. but it is not a legal document. Means I came to you, I just inquiry about your product, and just I will just go, or I will not place any order. I just do inquiry. Means it is not legal document. You are not bounded to that particular document.
Okay,
Suppose,
okay. So inquiry can be turned into a lead, right? A lead
yeah,
generation
yeah,
in Salesforce.
yes. Means a company, or you are not bounded to that particular inquiry. Suppose the cost, you tell me today's cost is suppose 100 euro or 200 euro of that particular product, but you are not bounded to that particular amount. So next day the price may be vary, or you can change your mind. So this is nothing but the inquiry. It is rough estimation basically.
So T
This
code
is,
will be VA11 for that.
yes. When you are going to put this create inquiry, the screen will be, then here you can directly click on this box also, or press F4 also, so that you can check the option, which are option here is there. So I want to create inquiry. So I select inquiry. Then I put sales organization as a 100,000. See, here system take only 4 digits. So what we learn, sales organization is a 4 digit code. Okay. So system actually takes only 4 digits. So that's why it is a 4 digit. Then
So
distribute
that code, 4-digit code, where do I get it from?
that. Then customer, this data will be provided by customer. So suppose you have you receive any ticket from customer side. Please create inquiry of this particular customer, and these are the means the data of related that customer. So you just need to fill that data and press enter, and here inquiry you can put the means which are your sold to party, which is your ship to party, which are PO number, material, likewise. This all data will be provided from customer side. Then you can put here like this is your customer, press enter. Okay. In material side, you are placing the material like this. Put order quantity as a 3.
I'm not understanding, how do we get all this TS310 and all? Where do you get it from?
These are
Like,
nothing but a customer. Means we are already store this customer in system. There are multiple customers. So this data already stored in your system. See. There are multiple customers that already stored in your system. So if you receive certain inquiry of so you receive any requirement from client side or your customer side, so can you please create, or can you please create the inquiry or order for this particular customer? So this customer related stuff will be provided by customer side. Like this is the our sold to party, this is chip to party, this is our material, this is quantity, this sales organization we are using, and please create inquiry for that particular stuff, or please create order. So likewise, this data will be carried. Then press on save. This inquiry is created. This is your number. How system pick this number? Means basically on basis of numbering. So this is
that's the SAP
nothing.
ID, right?
Sorry.
That is the SAP ID, right?
Yeah, yeah. ACP ID
So,
means
can you show me one more time how you generated the inquiry?
yes. So I put inquiry. This is standard IN, means standard order type for inquiry. Okay, then organization is 1000. Distribution channel is 12, division is 0. Press enter. Then put customer this. I can change customer.
That is customer sold to party, right?
Yes. Then material sold here 20, order quantity 10, enter.
Order quantity 10.
Means how much quantity of material customer wants? 10,000 according to his
But
requirement.
how do you know? How do you know they want 10?
This stuff will be provided by customer. Means when you receive ticket, this data will be shared with you. This material, please create inquiry or order with this material, with this quantity. This is our sold to party, ship to party, and this is our organization stuff.
So they are the customer, right? The
Yes.
GmbH and all that.
This is our customer. Then click on save. This inquiry is created. Now GA11 is, suppose you are created inquiry, this particular inquiry. So you forgot something or you want to add something to this inquiry. Okay. So you can simply go to GA12. Means these are the 3 T code. You can make a note of it. Like to create inquiry, it is VA11. VA11 to create inquiry. Then VA12 to change inquiry. So this is inquiry I have recently made 26. So I want to change certain order quantity or certain material, or I want to add certain other material also. So
basically,
this can
basically you want to edit what you already did.
Yes. This is nothing but the edit. VA12, it is nothing but the change or edit. Then VA13, which is nothing but a display. Suppose you want to just see this particular inquiry, so you can just go in display. Here you can not able to edit anything. It is display mode. Display. VA11 to create, VA12 to change, VA13 to display. And it is a not legal document. Inquiry is not a legal document. These 3 code are important. VA11,
VBAK and VBAP. Can you show me the tables backend, right?
Sorry, I'm not getting
tables. How will I see, the tables backend, VBAK, and how will I see them?
That just means I will go each topic wise. Okay. So there are multiple tables. For that order, there are multiple tables. For customer data, there are different tables. We are going to see each topic in detail. Okay. So I'm going to tell you all the things that once so we get confused. So we will go in step by.
Okay. Just try
to remember these 3 T code of inquiry or make a note of it. VA11 to create, VA12 to edit or change, then VA13 is to display.
Display.
Yes, display. Then next important point is what? Inquiry about. Inquiry is not a legal document. Means company will not bound it to.
We use VA03.
VA03, it is order. It is to display order.
Okay, we use that at work a lot.
Yeah. VA01 to create order. VA02 is to edit or to change order. Then VA03 is to display order.
It is 03, na? Not 03.
Yeah, it means most of companies what do, they do their customization of home for their simplification. Means they are creating their own T code. But these are the standard. VA0, VA11 for inquiry, VA12, VA13. These are the standard ones. Suppose anyone asks you about what the T code for, what is the T code for inquiry. So you must go for VA11, VA12, VA13. to create VA11, to change VA12, and to display VA13. These are the standard ones. Same with the quotation and order also. Means they are a little bit different. Then what exactly the inquiry? Whenever a customer inquiry about certain product, then we can create inquiry about inquiry document in SAP. Means suppose the customer want inquiry about this particular material likewise stuff. So it is nothing but the inquiry. It is an internal document. Means what it is not a legal document. Company will not bound it to. Okay. Got it about inquiry. Means what exactly the inquiry is. That 3T code is important for inquiry. Then next one is quotation. Quotation means what? Suppose you have done inquiry about a certain product, then you want a quotation of that product. Okay, so you paid your customer or vendor. So I want quotation of this material around I want around 100 quantity of this material. So can you please provide me quotation of this particular product? Okay. So what is the difference? Main difference between inquiry and quotation? A quotation is a legal document. Suppose I have taken a quotation from you around 100 euro. So I can pay tomorrow also or day after that also. You are bounded to that price. So it not change like inquiry. So it is the main difference between inquiry and quotation. So in system level, we used to create inquiry quotation PA21 to create quotation. To change quotation PA22, change quotation or edit quotation. And to display PA23. These are the standard display quotation.
Quotation is when we give them a quote, right, to respond to the inquiry.
Yes. If the customer is satisfied with their inquiry or satisfied with the product or our price, so he wants quotation. So we can provide quotation of that particular product with the material quantity. And
so how is it done? How is it
yes,
done?
Yeah,
For the T code, right?
Yeah, to create, we use VA21 to create quotation. And the order type or document type for quotation is QT. And for inquiry, it is IR. QT. Then sales organization is 1000. Distribution channel is 0. Press enter. Okay. For same customer, we are going. Okay. It is same as inquiry, but there is some means we can create with reference to also. Suppose we have earlier you have done inquiry, so you want to create a quotation with reference to that inquiry. So you can also create that. So how to create that? Also, I will show you first standard like for this material with just save it. Save. This quotation is created, but you want to create with reference to your inquiry. Okay, so here is the option create with reference. Create with reference. Here put your inquiry number. Because I have put this one. Okay. Then,
the inquiry number was different just now.
It may be according to your goals. Yeah. These are the oriented. Just click on copy. So all the data from that inquiry will be copied to your quotation. Simply create with reference to is nothing but we can copy the all data from that certain reference document. No. So we are created like for 10 quantity. So you can edit also. Here I can put 20 material also or 200 material also. Or you can want to make some changes. You can make some changes also in that particular quotation. Then just save. Then again, this quotation is created with reference to our inquiry. Suppose you want to make some changes in that quotation. So you do VA22. The recent quotation you have made, the automatically number will be appearing VA22 or any change document. Suppose you have created certain inquiry like 10 with number 10 and you directly go to change mode VA12. So automatically the number will be there. But you can use different number also. Suppose you want to change different inquiry also. So you just need to replace this number. Then press enter and you are now in change mode or edit mode of that particular inquiry or quotation. These are nothing but the header data. So in inquiry, basically, these are our inquiry number. Will be taken from number. Suppose system basically we give a number range, specific number range. For inquiry, suppose we have given a number range like between 100 to 500. Okay. So I have created one inquiry. So it will be number as a 100. Then I will create a second inquiry. Then it will be number as a 101. Third inquiry 102. Likewise. So these are specific number. So system automatically pick up this number. No? When we save inquiry, system automatically pick this number. So how system automatically picks this number on the basis of number range that we have already defined by ABAP consultant or different consultant, basis consultant. So on the basis of that particular this number, system automatically pick this number. Okay. Then next one is our sold to party, shipped to party PO number. PO number, PO date means this for customer clarification means certain suppose the customer placing PO, full form of PO is purchase order basically. Suppose a customer is placing order or any inquiry, any quotation. So he can use certain PO for your reference or his reference. Means here, suppose your customer is a big customer, he's placing multiple order on daily basis or multiple quotation on daily basis. So for his own clarification or for your clarification, distinguish between different order, certain PO number must be provided or certain number must be provided from customer side. It is not mandatory, but sometimes will be provided by customer. So that
So
number.
purchase order is from customer, right?
Yes, and we are using YUMI 23N.
So what is actually then purchase order in the document?
A purchase order.
Means what, how much they need and all that.
Yeah.
How much
YUMI
quantity.
23 for purchase order. The T code is YUMI 23N. Press enter. See. This is PO, means to create. Here that PO related stuff will be there. That is not our job basically. This taken care by EMM consultant, material management consultant. But for your understanding, we are using EME 23N to see PO, means which is PO. Okay. Then this is the requested delivery date. Means up to this particular date, your goods must be shipped to your ship to party or must be reached to your customer. This is nothing but the requested delivery. Okay. Then delivering plan. Okay. So in material level, this is a line item. This field we call line item. Here 20, if here is 20. Material.
What is line item? One each row?
Yeah, each row we call it as a line item. And this is first line item. This is our second line item. Like this is our second line item. This is our first line item. So the plant is there. From that particular plant, this particular material will be selected with this particular quantity, 10 quantity. So this is the plant. Then the total cost estimation is there, means total value total valuation of that particular product or that particular inquiry. This is nothing but total euro amount. Then document currency. This is euro. In our Indian, this is rupees. It may be vary according to your customer, be it dollar or like that. Then Incoterm. I will cover this topic in detail. What is this Incoterm? But there must be some specific Incoterm. This in Incoterm, basically the responsibility is divided between customer and your vendor. Suppose you have a transportation agency, so you have created this particular order or the inquiry. So you need to ship this good to your ship to party, right? And for that purpose, you require certain transportation agents. Okay, so the responsibility of your material is defined in Incoterm. Means uh, after placing your order in your truck or in a vehicle, after that means suppose you have any insurance, for that Incoterm is CIF. There are multiple, these are CIF. Means their insurance is there. Means suppose any accident or anything happen with that particular vehicle, so the transportation agency or transportation company will refund you your total cost or total damage. These are nothing but the CIF. Means, this is example of Incoterm. Means responsibility of your goods must be defined in Incoterm. Got it about Incoterm? I will cover in detail about later this Incoterm. Just yeah, just remember one thing. Incoterm means what exactly Incoterm? The responsibility of goods or material is defined in Incoterm.
But who gives them like the the defining thing?
See, you have your company and you have one transportation company. There are two companies now. Okay, so you are created this order, and this material will be going to ship to your ship to party or your customer. So certain transportation agency will take care of this. Okay, so there must be contract between your company and transportation company. So that contract is nothing but the Incoterm. In that, basically the certain things will be defined. Means suppose any damage or delay, suppose the vehicle is delayed, is not able to reach this particular delivery time. So
But can it be FedEx or UPS and all those?
yes, like UPS, then Queen and Nagel, DHL, like
Mm-hmm.
suppose this the transportation company will not meet your requirement. So according to that, additional charges they are going to pay you some additional charges or other stuff that must be defined in Ecoterm. This is all about Ecoterms. Then payment term. In payment related details, suppose you are one company, you are in India, but you are customer in USA. So the currency difference is there. So according to that, payment term is select. There are different payment terms.
So where do you click exactly? You should tell me where you click also, because you click very fast.
See, here is a small checkbox. When you are going to click on anything, there is a small checkbox. You can click on there, or you can directly click on F4. Go in certain field or F4, press F4. Directly this box will be appear there. Then this is our sales area. Sales area, what I told you, it is a combination of three: sales organization, distribution channel, and division. It is a combination of three. This is our sales area. Then next one is item overview tab. In item overview tab, we will get details about our items, means line item, what exactly the material of that particular line item, then description of that particular material, like that stuff. See, this is customer material, means if you have a CMIR or customer material info record, then if your customer has that particular customer number, then that number will be automatically appear here when we are going to place that order or material. Then next one is item category. Item category for inquiry is AFN, which is standard. For standard inquiry, the standard item category is AFN. And for order, it is TAN. It is standard one. It may be vary according to your company, or they do customization. Means they create their own item category. But AFN is standard one for standard. So I have standard document type for inquiry is IN. So likewise, the standard item category for inquiry is AFN. This is also important point. We can make a note of this AFN. Then what is
it? Item category.
Item category.
So what does it come under? Means what exactly?
Item category is nothing but it control behavior of that particular line item. Means what is it? The behavior means it controls. Suppose I have picked this material. So from which plant, then if there is a DG material or like material related stuff will be taken care by this line item or item category. Suppose here is a free goods, means according to your document also it may get vary, and your material also it may get vary. But for standard inquiry, it is AFF always. For standard inquiry, it is always AF. Likewise, for standard order, it is always TAN, TAN. Okay.
Category. Okay, it's quite confusing. I did not understand. Means,
see,
give me an example.
There are multiple. You are creating an inquiry, so you need to select IN there as a document type. This item category system.
What? You need to select what?
IN, item category, document type. Here the inquiry type, or this is IN, inquiry type. You need to put there. for standard inquiry. Likewise, when you are creating standard inquiry, the item category AFN will be automatically selected by system. This thing automatically pick up by system. When you are going to put iron there, the item category AFN is automatically selected. And we use key code BA, BO, B7 for item category. See, these are the different item category. So in position is nothing but search. In SAP, it is nothing but search. So which item category we have seen? AFN. See, this assigned to inquiry item. Means it is standard. It is assigned to inquiry. Okay. When you are going to create any document with document type as iron or item category type is iron, so the item category AFN will be automatically selected by system. Same with order. Suppose put 10. See, TAN standard item, or it is used for OR. Means when we are going to do or create order, I will show you about order also. Then for free goods, it is TAWM.
So why have they kept this type of this?
Item category. Na? Suppose we
because
have
free of charge, we have a different code when we at work. It is some Z something, ZFRD or something for free of charge.
Free of charge and free goods is different. Suppose free of charge means what? You are replacing. Suppose like we take example of Amazon. So we have put we order something, but you don't satisfy with material. You want to replace that material. So the other delivery will be free of charge. This is the concept of free of charge. Means they charge you for only one delivery, not second one. This is about free of charge. And
For
what is
sometimes service is free of charge.
Yes. And what is free goods? There are two types of free goods: inclusive free goods and exclusive free goods. What exactly the inclusive free goods? Suppose you are buying 2 pen and you are getting free quantity as a third pen. Means same quantity like 2, your order quantity. You are getting pen as a free quantity, like your 2 quantity. So it is same quantity. It is inclusive free goods. And second one is exclusive free goods. Means you are ordering 2 pens and you are getting pencil as a free quantity, which is different than your order quantity. This is nothing but your exclusive free.
Means it is something different from what you have.
Yeah,
And
different
if you get the same thing free, then it's inclusive.
Yes, correct. Then this is the standard item category. When you are going to select order type as an iron, so this item category will be automatically selected by system, because the customization or linkage is there between item category and that particular order type or document type. Then next one is net value. Means how much total cost of this particular product will be shown in net value. This is BOM, means BOM, basically bill of material. I will cover this topic. Okay. Means what is the, I give rough idea about this BOM or BOM. Like certain product must be buy in group. Like suppose you want to buy computer, you will buy monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, like stuff. So this stuff will be buy in bunch, always buy in bunch. So mostly we assign this product to one item. Suppose we monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, we assign this whole different 5 product in one product called computer in system level in computer. So this is nothing but the bomb. Rough idea about bomb. Okay, it is nothing but the combination of different products in one product. It is about bomb. Got it?
Oh, you know the next column, reason for rejection.
Suppose
I need to do that. I was just working on that at work for returns.
yeah. Suppose this is our shipment or any other reason, this quantity or material may get damaged or not in its original state at customer location. Okay, so anything must be happen in transportation or for handling goods. So customer don't want this product now. So he may return this product to your company with order rejection. Likewise, means allow quantities exceed or damage. Likewise, these are the multiple reasons which need to be selected by customer. Order is lost likewise, and then we can save that particular inquiry or order. This is nothing but the reason of rejection. Suppose customer rejected your product with this reason of rejection, so you need to maintain that in your order also or in your quotation also, and then again need to save this particular document so that this data or this thing will be taken care further. Means for which suppose there is a reason for uh, means transportation.
It's actually cancelled order. Means on the front end, on the portal, it should show as cancelled.
Yes, means what happens sometimes. Sometimes customer directly cancel this means whole order with reason of rejection. Here also order means this is we are talking about order reasons or some reason. Here customer pick one reason for his rejection, and then he customer actually reject your order with his reason of rejection. Then you need to maintain this reason in your order or in your document for next further future things. Means suppose any transportation delay or suppose anything happen in transportation accident or any other thing. So this data is beneficial for your next contract with that particular transportation agency or for reimbursement of your insurance. Likewise, this data is important. So this data must be saved with perfect detail in your particular document, reason of rejection.
Okay. Can we stop today?
This we can cover this 5 type mode. Then we can stop. Then next one is item details. Means we have 2 line items, right? 10 and 20. Here item 10 and here 20. Okay. So this item detail will be appear in item details tab. Means what is the material, order quantity, then what is the pricing date, means on which date the price of that particular product is carried out on system level. So this stuff will be in item details. Then next one is ordering part. Means here the data related to your here customer material number is there, and same the customer related data is there. This ordering party mostly is in order. Okay, so in inquiry, so it will not take any means major role in inquiry. Then next one is procurement. Means procurement means this tab mostly used by people, like the procurement of material means to produce this material or to produce this your product, you need certain raw material. Okay, so suppose you want to produce your bicycle or your product. So you need raw material for that. And for that raw material, you need to procure some raw material. So that detail must be filled by consultant or people. Then next one is means which are your issue. Then material availability date means which date to which your material is available. Suppose you are placing this material, so it is not available on 9th 9. So it will be so on which date it will be get available. So it is nothing but the material availability. Then delivery date to which your material is going to be delivered to your customer. Then ATP. ATP is nothing but availability to promise. Means if you are saying your material is currently not available, but it will get available on 11th of September. So it is nothing but availability of promise. Then next one is route. Means suppose you want to transport your material from Mumbai to your Karnataka or one state to another state. So certain route must be followed by your transportation agency or transport your vehicle. So that is nothing but the route. In the route, basically, you are describing about which type of vehicle or which type of your transportation zone, which is your loading location, like stuff. Means which road actually you are going to follow to reach your customer location. This is nothing but about routes.
Go turn on the news. I want to watch. I wanted to watch the news in the afternoon. I just couldn't. Go turn on the news. Tell Papa I'm coming. Yeah.
Okay. The next one is our shipping tab. Means the shipping detail is there. Means your route, then your shipping point, which is your shipping point, which is your plant. Means for shipping purpose, you need to this data. Basically, this material will be taken from which plant. So 1000. Then which is your shipping point. Then which route must be followed to deliver your goods to your customer. Then delivery priority.
See, I need to stop today because it's been more than 1 hour. It's night here. Is that okay?
Okay, just this tab we will.
But you know, if you are going very fast, I will need a re-explanation of it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, is that okay?
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.